Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Artsy Studio. There was some stuff before this, so I'm gonna insert that. I got a couple of things to be able to organize that. Like all, I'm gonna do my best. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do all of that, but I am going to try. So I got one of these things that like hangs on the door, and they're like little cubbies. So I think this is gonna be nice to house all of the doodads that I have over there. I have a lot of just like loose things, like a container of googly eyes. I have some like rods. And then I also got what I'm really excited about is this like 4-tier sort of bin thing. I just want to pull one out because I'm pretty sure they're like foldable, so they look like this when you first pull them out. I think you do a thing like that, and then you do that, you pull out that. What's this thing? Right, and then this. They like clip together, I think. I don't know why it's not working. Anyways, after you struggle for a little bit, you get like a little drawer thing, and they stack on top of each other. But then it's like this cute little, look how adorable. Wow. Decently sized. And there's 4 of these. And I'm hoping that I can organize my tufting fabric and backing fabrics into these. Ah! It's kind of nice that like folds into something super easy to transport. Okay, those are the things that I got because I want to reorganize that whole desk, because on Friday, during stream on Friday, Sean and I are going to be building a small tufting frame. I'm probably going to just try to make like a 3x3 tufting frame. 3x3 tufting frame. And I am making it into like its own whole separate video so I can show you guys how to build your own tufting frame. And I'm trying to make it as like inexpensive as possible. And I'm going to do like a whole breakdown of all the things that you will need. But anyway, one of the things that you're going to need is like a desk to clamp it to. So I need to do something. I need to help that desk become what it can truly be. But yeah, today I'm going to just be finishing carving this, which I did a bunch of on Friday last week on stream. So we're probably going to be finishing that today. To the East Coast. And then Bish just jumped on without knowing. Y'all, I just finished it. Look how beautiful and crispy. Oh my god. Also, chat is here. Say hi, chat. I'm navigating. You can't hear it, but they're clapping for me. Yeah. It's Gorgina. Oh my god, thank you. Hi, chat. No. Sorry. Say hi, YouTube. And then, anyways, you're basically going to say hi to yourselves. Hello, YouTube. Morbid, I don't know what you're talking about. See you later. Do you have any advice for yourself in the future? Hi, YouTube, us. Right there. There you all are. And there, basically. There's everyone. Oh, Gina, don't forget to like this video. Even if you have comment or anxiety. Oh. I'll see you later. Yeah, so all of that was last week. I think that's what happened. So it was the beginning of last week. But I realized that I wouldn't be able to edit the vlog on Thursday because Thursday was my birthday. So I instead uploaded, and it all worked out because it pushed me to do the rug drop on Sunday, which, as you're watching this, I guess was the previous Sunday. I don't know what's left at this point. I do have some orders to pack up right now. Look at all of them. All of my little wrist rest burritos. There they all are. And then I also have the floor rugs all boxed up down there. So I do basically have them all wrapped up. Look how just a little freaking rug burrito. So what we need to do is grab my little pink mailers. I'm gonna grab 4 of them. Oh, and then I did also, the other day, I did some bulk stamping for my cards. So now I have like a whole bunch of stamped cards. Really nice. I did run out and I was like, oh my goodness, and ordered them really quickly. All right, so now I'm gonna grab one of my, so now I'm gonna grab 4 of my cards. All right. You can tell what kind of day this is gonna be. Cute. Okay, cards are done, so now I'm going to start packing them. Here's our first burrito we're sending off. I think I'm going to take their cards and like do a little bit of tying them to it. That way they kind of stay with it. Cute. Okay, I think that, oh my god, it looks like a little parcel or something, you know? So I get it towards the bottom and then start rolling it. And then I'll peel the little thing off and then roll it into the sticky, press that down. Then I usually try to squish it to like one side and then tape all of this down. Make it as compact as possible. And there we have our pink burrito. Just gotta get a label on it and it's good to go. All right, y'all. The packages are packed with their labels. They are scheduled for pickup tomorrow. I'm very excited. If one of these is yours, thank you so much. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you forever. If you are interested in getting anything from my drop, well, anything that's left, the link to my shops will be down in the description. Okay. So now we can finally put this table away. No, I love this table, but also it's in the way. I wasn't ready yet, but I just went. Oh my god. Look at all this space that I have. Also, a little update on this. Here it is, all clamped to my desk. We have not finished it. It'll get finished at some point, okay? I need to keep it moving here. All right, I have a new thing of fabric. Fresh tufting fabric. Oh my god. I feel like that last frame just like lasted forever. Hello. Hello. This fabric is not cooperating. So I kind of just need you to like, I'm hoping that we can stretch it together. I should be able to get it from here.
You sure?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, well let me know if you need anything.
What was it? Oh, a fuzz?
Yeah.
All right. The fabric is up. Thanks to Sean. It was being really uncooperative, but that's okay. Now it's up. And I am unscrewing you from this tripod because I need it for the projector. Also, if you're ever like, oh, I wonder what the new designs are. If you ever want to like see the new designs get drawn up on the frame, I usually do that on stream. Like I'll do like a design reveal sort of. My little my little projector. Happy and ready to go. That should be good. That's what I wanted to do. Forgot to tell you what I was doing. I'm on the floor, first of all, and I'm cutting a piece of cardboard because I wanted to kind of redo my wrist rest tracing thing, because as currently it's just a piece of paper. It's very hard to trace, so I wanted to do it on a piece of cardboard. That way it's easier. I think that looks good. Okay, this was my original one. This is what it looked like, and now we're gonna go to this. And I'm gonna try to do like squared off corners instead of the rounded corners. I'm gonna see how I feel about that. Yeah, basically the same exact size, just with corners. Hey y'all, it's I think the next day. I'm not entirely sure, but I finished the small tufting frame and then I put fabric on it. I'm so happy to have a small frame again. And this one is like really top tier because I put double tack strip. So 1 strip and then 2 strip. My big frame doesn't even have that. It should, because it's huge, and it would be very helpful because these tack strips have, anyway, you will see everything in the video. I made like a whole video on how to make a small tufting frame, and I did it in the, like, I tried to make it as low cost as possible. Put your guesses in the comments. How much you think all the materials to make the small tufting frame minus like the tools, like the drill, and obviously don't count the fabric. How much do you think the materials to build the frame costed? Anybody from stream? I know you know the number. Don't. I'm so excited. So I want to do a Valentine's Day design on here. So I have one design. Here it is, actually. I want to show it to you. It's so incredible. I love it so much. And we're going to do that on here because that way, if it were on my big frame, then I'd have to finish everything on the frame to be able to, you know, get it out and carve it and everything. With this, it's just one and done. You know what I mean? Do you think you could sit up there without falling on the floor? What do you think? Okay, so I think that we should draw my design onto the frame. There we go. Kind of, I guess. There's definitely not a cinder block right under you on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna trace it on there. I'm so excited. I think I've got everything. Look at it. Oh my god. I'm so excited for this design. I'm so excited. Hey y'all, it's the next day, and I realized that I have not. I'm just gonna take these off. I realized that I have not shown you the frame with the designs on it. I apologize. So we have this one that is really gonna look like this, all filled in. So it's like a lily pad, and I'm so excited. Little pink lilies and stuff. Then I have this one, which is sideways currently because it's gonna be easier to tuft that way, but it's gonna look like this. Beautiful. I'm so excited. And then I have this one. I'm so excited about this one. So it's going to look like this when it's all filled in. But obviously we already have this outline done. It's stunning. I don't know. Oh my god, just look at it. It's the most beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm so fucking excited. And then this is the orange color. So these are koi fish. And this is the orange color that's going to go with it. Then I also have 5 wrist rest keyboard rugs. I don't have any like specific designs for them yet, but the outline is there. And that is this frame, and then the Valentine's Day one, which, why am I trying? It's literally January 16th. There's no way I'm going to get that rug out for Valentine's Day, but maybe. But maybe. You know what I mean? You never know unless you try. Also, there are 2 keyboard rugs left. Oh my god, yes. Only 2 keyboard rugs left. Both of them are the slime ones. I can't believe it. So we have the blue slime one and then the pink slime one. Then I also have the rose ghosty still available. I did scratch you. Oh, no, it was just a little hair. And also the vine skull is still available. If you're interested, the link to my website is down in the description. To all of y'all that got something from this drop, thank you so much. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you being here. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman, besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. I love y'all to absolute death. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.